umaga po uli, no? Sa ating media partners, sa Astra, sa ating mga patient advocate. Magandang umaga po. Today, we commemorate World Diabetes Day. Diabetes and the workplace. Let us renew our shared commitment to the call of action of Diabetes Philippines to stop diabetes and act now. Together, we can make a lasting impact by promoting early screening, ensuring prompt and effective treatment, optimizing the management of comorbid condition, and preventing the serious complication of diabetes. Today reminds us that diabetes is not only a medical condition but a public health and a social concern that touches the families and communities across our nation. Through awareness, education, and united action, we can empower every Filipino to live a healthier, longer, and more fulfilling lives. Let us continue to work hand in hand, healthcare professionals, patients, their families, advocates, the media, pharmaceutical companies, in building a future where diabetes is no longer a threat, but a challenge we can overcome together. Let us screen early, treat promptly, optimize care, and prevent complication for a healthier and stronger Philippines. Let us all stand, okay, and go in front. Let's do the Tara na Stop Diabetes. Okay, this is the campaign, okay? So punta po tayo dito para for the Tara na Stop Diabetes and then magpo-photo na po tayo.